Is that your bottle or is that for the baby? That bottle's for the baby. Yeah, it's for the baby.
Okay.
And give the baby the bottle.
Good.
And give the bottle to the baby. Good job. No, you're not the baby. That's the baby. Yeah, you love your baby. Give the baby the bottle. Hold her. Give her the bottle.
Yeah.
That's not being very gentle, Savannah. Gotta give the bottle to the baby. Give her the bottle. No. No. That bottle's for the baby, not you.
Yeah.
Can we give the bottle to Zelda?